That's our friend Derek. Maybe. Maybe not. He was a fishing boat. Yeah, it's a fishing boat. The waves can stand up here. Get into position. Okay, there you see the red light now in the hill. There in the hill you see it flashing, and the bottom one you can go now. Go that way. You see the red light? Come on. It's just above the white one that you saw. Okay, 10 degrees starboard. A little more, 10 degrees, 10 degrees. I see it clearly. I don't understand why you can see it. More starboard straight. You see the point on the rock there. That's the one line. More starboard. Starboard and more starboard. Carry on straight. Yeah, you have to sometimes watch for a wave from the back. No waves today. Yeah. Bit more starboard, Hans. Go off the white foam there.
I don't see you.
I will carry you. Just aim to the end of the white foam on the water. Quickly now. Stay on that line, stay on that line. Beautiful place. Very dangerous, but beautiful. Now the two lights are lined up, can't you see it? And we can claim that we're in. Okay, port, port, port. Just miss those rocks and go straight in. More port. Okay, straight in like that. Straight in. There you go.
Mehrere Pussy like.
Now you can see the lights clearly. Red over white.
But there is good